In this video, my daughter and I transformed this ugly space in our house into a beautiful indoor football pitch for my son's 4th birthday. I hope you guys enjoy.
Okay, we didn't only paint the walls, we paint ourselves as well. So we are.
Look at this mess. Look.
I just wanted to say we are done with the paint.
Now we are going to do the grass. Grass.
Garage.
Grass. Grass.
Okay, grass. So we're gonna do the grass now. But before that, I think we have to wash ourselves.
Yeah, I will do a bath.
No!
Yeah!
You won't come back anymore. No. Nati,
What?
no. We're just gonna wash ourselves and that's all. We are getting there, and now it's time for the part which Natalie was waiting a lot about.
Grass.
Yes.
Yes.
So we're gonna start putting down the grass now. Natalie is gonna do it alone, and
What?
I'm gonna.
And you, what are you going to do?
I'm gonna watch.
Why?
I'm joking. Come on, we're gonna do it together. Okay. Now take out your shoes, please,
Why?
and get in so you can push it. Okay. Uh-oh.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Woo!
It's probably okay. Let's have a look.
I love it.
We then start building the goals. We decided to do them ourselves, so they're gonna be way cheaper than buying them from the shop. And as I've got some skills in carpentry, I done them with wood. It was easier for me. Plus I had the best assistant in the world, so it was way easier this way.
One of the goal is done, and now I'm gonna do the second one. So for this one I spent a lot. I spent like €3.50. Yeah. Around about $4, guys. Yeah. It was expensive, but at least. What do you think? Is it nice? Let me know in the comments.
As you can see, she came back in the end to help me.
Are you ready? Go! Bob, well done! Well done, Natalie! Okay, now that we are done with the goals, what I have to do is finish the grass and then connect the grass to the connect the grass to the net and bring everything together basically. So let's start. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling a bit nervous. if I do it wrong, it's gonna be forever. So let's hope for the best.
Here you can see I was spraying the paint again and again and again. And the reason is because I was expecting to have the same identical white as on the walls, but because I never sprayed before with spray paint, I like I didn't expect that, but in the end it was good.
So what I need to do now is the half moon here. But for this purpose, I was thinking to use like a cord, or in this case is a cable for TV cable, I believe. Anyways, this one, I can take the spray. With one hand, I'm gonna put it to where it has to go, and with the other hand, I'm just gonna go like that. Or at least that's the idea. How does it look from there? What do you think, guys? I think it's okay. Looks fine to me. Okay. All right. I love it. I hope you like it too. So now I'm gonna check the middle part of it. So more or less should be here. How about this way?
For the middle point, I then borrow a plate from the chickens, and just like that, the football pitch for my son was ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna leave you now to his reaction.
Vai. Wow! Nathan, cos'è questo amore? Non ce la faccio!